Technology in education has transformed the way we teach and learn, creating new opportunities for students and educators alike. As we navigate through the digital age, the integration of technology into the classroom has become not just beneficial but essential. From interactive learning tools to online resources, technology has the potential to enhance educational experiences, making learning more engaging, accessible, and effective. Imagine a classroom where students are no longer passive recipients of information but active participants in their learning journey. With the advent of technology, this vision is becoming a reality. Interactive whiteboards, tablets, and educational software allow teachers to present information in dynamic ways, capturing students' attention and fostering collaboration. For instance, instead of simply reading from a textbook, students can explore virtual simulations that bring complex concepts to life. This hands-on approach not only deepens understanding but also encourages critical thinking and problem-solving skills. One of the most significant advantages of technology in education is its ability to personalize learning. Every student has unique strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles. Traditional one-size-fits-all teaching methods often leave some students behind while others may not be challenged enough. However, with technology, educators can tailor their instruction to meet individual needs. Adaptive learning platforms analyze student performance and adjust the curriculum accordingly, providing personalized pathways for mastery. This level of customization empowers students to learn at their own pace, fostering a sense of ownership over their education. Moreover, technology has made education more accessible than ever before. Online learning platforms and resources break down geographical barriers, allowing students from diverse backgrounds to access quality education. Whether it's through massive open online courses, MOOCs, educational videos, or interactive e-books, learners can engage with content anytime and anywhere. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for non-traditional students, such as working professionals or those with family commitments, who may struggle to attend traditional classes. By embracing technology, educational institutions can reach a broader audience and promote lifelong learning. Collaboration is another area where technology has made a significant impact. In the past, group projects often required students to meet in person, which could be challenging due to scheduling conflicts. Today, digital collaboration tools enable students to work together seamlessly, regardless of their physical location. Platforms like Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, and various project management tools allow students to share ideas, provide feedback, and create projects collectively. This collaborative environment not only enhances communication skills but also prepares students for the realities of the modern workplace, where teamwork and remote collaboration are increasingly common. However, while the benefits of technology in education are substantial, it is essential to recognize the challenges that come with it. One of the primary concerns is the digital divide, the gap between those who have access to technology and those who do not. In many regions, students from low-income families may lack the necessary devices or internet connectivity to participate fully in digital learning. This disparity can exacerbate existing inequalities in education, making it crucial for policymakers and educators to address these issues. Initiatives that provide devices, internet access, and training for both students and teachers are essential to ensure that technology serves as a bridge rather than a barrier. Another challenge is the potential for distraction. With a vast array of information and entertainment available online, students may find it difficult to stay focused on their studies. Social media, games, and other distractions can detract from the learning experience. Educators must find ways to engage students and keep them motivated while also teaching them how to manage their time and attention effectively. Incorporating gamification elements into lessons, for example, can make learning more enjoyable and help students stay on track. Furthermore, the rapid pace of technological advancement means that educators must continually adapt to new tools and platforms. Professional development and training are essential to ensure that teachers are equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to effectively integrate technology into their classrooms. Schools and educational institutions should prioritize ongoing training programs that empower educators to leverage technology in innovative ways. By fostering a culture of continuous learning among teachers, we can enhance the overall quality of education. Looking ahead, the future of technology in education is promising. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, hold the potential to revolutionize the learning experience further. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide personalized support to students, while VR and AR can create immersive learning environments that transport students to different times and places. These technologies can deepen engagement and understanding, making learning more impactful and memorable. In conclusion, technology in education has the power to transform the learning experience, making it more engaging, accessible, and personalized. By embracing technology, educators can foster collaboration, enhance critical thinking, and prepare students for the demands of the modern world. However, it is essential to address the challenges that come with technology integration, including the digital divide and potential distractions. By prioritizing equity, ongoing training, and innovative approaches, we can create a future where technology serves as a powerful ally in education. Ultimately, the goal is to empower students to become lifelong learners, equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in an ever-changing world.